Hey guys, this is Marwan from RAMY Automotive, and I want to tell you a bit of my story and how I joined RAMY and why. So, my father started the company in 1992, and I still remember going to his showroom in Deira, where it was pretty much empty, and my brother and I would play football inside. And then little by little, the products would just keep coming, and started going to the desert very often. It became part of my blood. So I started following up and asking Dad a lot of questions about the business. Until 2011, I finished university and I decided to come back directly. It was a great decision because the moment I came back, I met great people from all cultures, different backgrounds, and I learned a lot about cars. And I realized that helping people in this field was actually my passion.